here's a life question. Do you ever feel like your business or your life is like a pressure cooker? Is there so much pressure built up inside of you that sometimes you think your head's going to explode? Well, unfortunately, we're all under pressure at times. It's a given. And the truth is, there's always pressure. There's the pressure to produce, the pressure of meeting deadlines, financial pressures, family pressures, the pressure of measuring up to expectations of others, and even our own measuring up of expectations to ourselves, and the pressure to climb the supposed ladder of success. Now, you've heard what I'm going to say before, and the saying goes, if it were easy, everyone would do it. Well, we know it isn't easy, and everyone doesn't do it. Truth is, the majority of us want to avoid any kind of pressure, and by default, we also end up shunning our success. My buddy, who's an evangelist, John Hobbs, says, if the pressure on the outside of you is greater than the pressure on the inside of you, you're going to be crushed. And therein's the secret of coping with pressure. So go ahead, grab yourself a triple-decker stress sandwich and realize when the pressure on the inside is greater than the pressure on the outside, you're winning this game we call life.